For this tutorial, you'll need a pack of Set 1 phonics flashcards. These can be found in the Read Write Ink My Reading and Writing Kit, Early Sounds and Blending. You will also need paper and a pen or pencil. A digraph is a combination of two letters used to represent one sound. When teaching the digraphs, explain to your child that the two letters are special friends. Remember that each digraph is also either a stretchy sound, sh, th, nk, or a bouncy sound, ch, qu. The Set 1 digraphs are sh, th, ch, qu, nk. Watch how Louisa teaches the digraph sh to her daughter Ada, who's in reception.
Ada, today we're going to learn a new sound. The sound is sh. Can you say sh?
Start by holding up the flashcard for sh, letter side. Stretch sh. Force out your lips and put your finger to your mouth.
Look, here we have our sound. This is a snake, and here we have a horse. The snake is making a s sound, and the horse is saying sh. So here's our sound. Shh, says the horse. Can you say it?
Shh, says the horse.
That's right.
Copy a simple version of the snake on the horse onto a piece of paper. Say the snake is making a nasty s noise and the horse tells the snake to shh.
And here, hiding behind our story, is our sound. Shh. Can you say it? Shh. Well done.
Write sh on the paper beside your copy of the snake and the horse. Make it the same size. Run your finger over the sh, saying shh. Say sh as you touch the end of sh. Ask your child to repeat.
Look, here's our picture. Shh, says the horse. Can you say it?
Shh, says the horse.
And hiding behind our picture is the sound. Shh. Can you say it?
Shh.
Tell your child that these letters are special friends. Explain that the flashcard, picture side, is the same as your drawing. Tell your child that the letters are hidden behind the pictures. Show the letter side. Say shh.
So when we see this side, we say shh, says the horse. And this side, shh. Can you say it?
Shh, says the horse. Shh. Shh, says the horse. Shh.
Well done.
Ask your child to say shh or shh, says the horse, as you flip the card a few times.
We're going to hide the sound that we've learnt in the cards, the sounds that you already know. When you see the sound, you have to say it out loud. Ready?
I know what to do.
Okay, off we go.
Go.
Well done.
No, that's not. Oh. The. Ah. That's so hard.
Leg.
Leg.
Not. Flower. Well done. Well done.
Hide the new sound in the pack of sounds taught so far. Ask your child to read the sounds without bouncing or stretching them and spot the new sound. Increase the speed as your child gains confidence.